sharing a video, how to make chicken nuggets at home. Chicken nuggets are most commonly eaten in fast food restaurants and can be easily prepared at home from boneless chicken. Chicken nuggets can be given a variety of taste, like spicy, crispy, juicy, and with a proper dressing from outside, it can look very attractive and delicious to eat. To prepare it, you need 250 grams of boneless chicken, which need to be cut into small pieces. At first, I am dressing the chicken with soy sauce, table salt, garam masala, corn flour, and 1 egg. After dressing the chicken, leave it for around 30 minutes. Now preparing small amount of crumb of bread for coating the chicken. Mixing white flour with the bread crumb and adding small amount of red chili powder, table salt, and jeera powder to give it a spicy taste. Coating the chicken pieces with the bread crumb. Now frying the chicken coated with bread crumb till it turn reddish brownish in color. Deep frying it and taking it out on a plate with a tissue paper on it so that the excess oil gets absorbed by the tissue paper, leaving the chicken nuggets dry and crispy to eat. Dressing the chicken nuggets with cubed cheese, coriander leaves, onion, and tomato sauce. Serve it hot and can be eaten with any other dish or tea. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
It is very tasty, yummy, and very delicious. It tastes like chicken nuggets which is made in restaurants.